will continue to resupply BRP Sierra Madre. And of course, the Philippine Coast Guard vessels were once again dangerously harassed.
Muling nakaranas ang pamahalaan ng agresibong hakbang mula sa Chinese Coast Guard. Ito'y batay sa impormasyon mula sa Armed Forces of the Philippines o AFP at Philippine Coast Guard. Sa laging handa public briefing, sinabi ni AFP spokesperson Colonel Medel Aguilar na bagamat hindi ng bomba ng tubig ang Chinese Coast Guard, gamit naman nila ang kanilang maliliit at mabibilis na sasakyang pandagat kasama ang ilang maritime militia upang habulin at harangan ang tropa ng pamahalaan. National Defense Secretary Gilbert Teodoro may tuturing na isang irresponsible behavior ang ginawa ng Chinese Coast Guard. Dagdag ng kalihim, mas delikado ang ginawa ngayon ng Chinese Coast Guard bagamat hindi sila gumamit ng water cannon.
Once again, we will continue to resupply BRP Sierra Madre. And of course, the Philippine Coast Guard vessels were once again dangerously harassed. This is, to me, irresponsible behavior on the part of the Chinese Coast Guard. And I think that the world knows who is in the right here. So it doesn't need much more saying or talking about. The world has reacted before to the water cannoning, and I think what has to be underscored here is that wala ngang water cannoning, pero mas delikado ang mga maniobra na ginawa nila sa mga kasama natin na Philippine Coast Guard.
Ginawa ni Secretary Teodoro ang nasabing pahayag matapos pangunahan nito ang commissioning ng 2 patrol vessels na ibinigay ng Estados Unidos. Ang nakikitang solusyon ng kalihim, dapat sabay-sabay anya ang gagawing upgrading ng Philippine Coast Guard at Philippine Navy upang sa gayon ay magkaroon ito ng kakayahan na protektahan ang mga barko ng bansa maging ang mga mangingisda.
Kailangan talagang sabay-sabay na upgrading din ng ating Coast Guard at ang ating Philippine Navy. Para sa ganon, ang internal maritime security capabilities ay mapagtuunan nila ng pansin. At syempre, kasi fishing vessels at mangingisda ang ating pinoprotektahan, kailangan din nila ng capabilities for protecting Philippine vessels, maritime safety and security. Ito, ginawa ng Chinese Coast Guard, napaka-egregious violation ito ng maritime safety.